Businesses can now set up free shop trends with a great social platform that helps you to connect with your customers, increase awareness about your brand, boost your leads and sales easily. Hello everyone, Neha this side. Once again, I welcome you all on your learning channel, Knowledgeable Neha, where we usually discuss about business idea, motivational ways, educational and learning updates. Facebook is making another big push to become go-to platform for online shopping, giving the likes of Amazon competition in the e-commerce space. Mark Zuckerberg, chief executive of Facebook, has announced that the world's large social network platform is launching Shops. It's a service that will allow businesses to display and sell products, which will in turn build up e-commerce offering.
This is really the very first major push that we are going to be making into the next step around commerce. Zuckerberg said all these tools are open for businesses even when your physical store can't be.
Facebook Shops is mobile's first shopping experience where businesses can easily create an online store on Facebook and Instagram. Mark Zuckerberg said the idea behind Shops is to help more local businesses come online, businesses that can't be physically open due to coronavirus pandemic.
How do shops work?
Shops can be available on Facebook pages and Instagram profile for businesses. They will also appear in the stories or ad items that are available for purchase will appear in the shops. So businesses can choose what they want to feature from their stores.
Also, to make your store attractive and unique, it has an option to customize while adding a cover image and accent colors.
Customers can browse shops, save products for later and place orders just like any other online shopping portal.
Shops will store your payment credentials for all Facebook apps. You also have an option to directly message the businesses through WhatsApp, Messenger or Instagram, direct to ask questions, get support and track deliveries.
Facebook will take a small commission on purchases made through the shops, but the real lucrative area for the company is through driving more ads on the platform.
Facebook also plans to enable shopping from live streams, allowing users to tag items from the store so that they can appear in live videos. Loyalty programs might soon be an addition in the shops. Is creating and using shops free?
Yes, creating any business at shops is free, although business will have to take the option to buy advertise for the shops to increase visibility and customers' engagement.
Facebook Store is a page where you can sell your products through to reach a wider customer base. You might be wondering why you would want to create a Facebook store.
Well, think again. Facebook has over 2 billion active users every single month. That's too many potential customers to turn away.
Also, customers can use and browse at a zero cost and will only be charged at checkout. What does it hold for Facebook?
Through business-friendly platform, Facebook can generate fresh ad revenue. CEO Zuckerberg also said that world's largest social network would be working more closely on product integration.
Partners on the project.
Facebook has partnered with third-party services including Shopify, Business Commerce and 7 other partners to handle logistics. The social media giant has also partnered with the smartphone maker Samsung to train offline retailers to go digital.
In the first phase, Samsung and Facebook have already trained more than 800 offline retailers, with more training sessions lined up in upcoming weeks. When will shops be available?
Facebook Shops has already started to roll out from May 19th in the US. On Instagram, the rollout will also start this summer. In the coming months, Shops will be available widely. Later in the year, it plans to add a dedicated shopping tab to its navigation bar.
Benefits of Facebook Shop.
First, you can tag your products in the Facebook post to boost sales.
For example, brand like Nike, you can see product listing thumbnail under the heading of products shown.
Second, you can tap into Facebook's social engagement.
By adding a Facebook Shop tab to your Facebook page, you can capitalize on the way users engage on Facebook. When people view your Facebook products on your Facebook store, they can like them, save them for later, share them with friends, or sharing their thoughts. Each of these actions will help to expose your brand to new people in the best possible way.
Third, a Facebook shop can help to reduce friction in the sales process.
A Facebook store makes life easier for Facebook users. They can browse your products in the same window they are using to chat with friends. Plus, they can add product to their cart and then check out on the platform or head to your website to finish purchasing your products. Problem with Facebook Shop in 2019. Unfortunately, the Facebook Shop feature isn't currently available in all countries. So which country can access the feature?
Facebook only provides a shopping cart and checkout service for sellers in the US. If you are not based in the US, you can still use Facebook Store as a sales channel to hook in your customers
and send them to your website to check out by using the call to action checkout on website. How to set up a Facebook shop with Shopify?
I recommend this route for serious sellers and for existing Shopify users because Shopify allows you to integrate multiple sales channels. In other words, it will make your life way easier.
Step 1. Create your Shopify store. Step 2. Connect your Shopify store to your Facebook page. Step 3. Choose which product and collection to show on Facebook. Step 4. Add, remove and arrange the collection of products. Step 5. Your store is ready. Here is the example of KKW Beauty, a Shopify user. How to set up free Facebook shop without third-party involvement. Step 1. Add the shop tab. Navigate to your Facebook page and click Settings. Then click Templates and Tabs so that we can add the Facebook Shop tab. Scroll the bottom of the list and click Add a tab. Now find Shops and click Add tab. If you would like to rearrange the orders of your tab, just click the 3 horizontal lines and drag your tabs into preferred arrangement. Step 2. Configure your Facebook Shop tab. If your Shop tab isn't displaying correctly, head back to your Templates and tab, click on the setting and make sure Show Shop tab is on. Facebook will ask you how you would like people to purchase products from your shop anywhere outside the US. Has 2 options. First, message to buy or check out on another website. Step 3. Add products to your Facebook shop. Upload your product photos and videos, then type in your product name, price and description. If you opted to send buyers to a website to complete their purchase, so here you need to add the website's URL for every specific product. Step 4. Manage your products and orders. To manage your products and orders, click the Publishing Tool tab at the top of your Facebook page and click Shop near the bottom of the sidebar menu.
Hence, we can easily see that Facebook shops are an incredible opportunity to place your products offering inside the most popular social media platform in the world. Days after social media giant Facebook and Reliance Jio signed a $5.7 million deal, JioMart has gone live on WhatsApp. The services have gone live in some of areas of Mumbai, including Navi Mumbai, Thane and Kalyan. It will be rolled out in several other cities shortly. Reliance has roped in lakhs of small businesses, Kalyana stores, for the services, and it will allow customers to place an order for essential stuff through WhatsApp because India has more than 400 billion WhatsApp users currently. Hence, JioMart is Reliance's online to offline business platform that will allow users to place order online but pay at the store.
How to place orders on JioMart? To place order through JioMart, customers are required to add JioMart's WhatsApp number, that is 88500800 to their contacts. Then type a hi message and send to the number. Then JioMart will reply with the shopping link that will be only active for 30 minutes. Once you open the link, you will be redirected to the page that would ask you for personal details like mobile number, area, locality, etc. After entering details, a new page with grocery items will appear where you can add the item to your cart and place the order easily. Once you generate the order, JioMart will send an invoice along with the grocery store's address and location on Google Maps. Post which, the customers will receive an SMS from the store when the order is ready. They can go and pick the order from the store and pay there itself. The customers are required to place their orders by 7 p.m. every day so that the nearest grocery store can keep it ready in the next 2 working days.
Facebook had made an investment of Rs 43,574 crore into Jio platform. Also, Facebook had bought a 9.99% equity stake in the company on the fully diluted basis. This makes Facebook Jio's largest minority stakeholder. Talking about the business deal between Facebook and Reliance Jio, Mukesh Ambani said that it will help Digital India. He said that the synergy between Reliance Jio and Facebook will help to realize Digital India mission with its 2 ambitious goals. First, ease of living. Second, ease of doing businesses for every single category of Indian people without exception. We all wish this partnership will make an important contribution in the economic transformation. With these words, I'm signing out for the day. I hope you liked the video and learned something about it. If yes, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe your learning channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy at your home. Bye bye.